going on, guys? Noah back. Car has been severely lacking, I guess you could say, in its cleanliness. These are mostly from when I drove the car from where I had it stored down to where I live, about an hour drive south, and of course I hit rain on the way, so it didn't do the car any favors, as well as every time that I took it out when the roads were wet and sloppy in the wintertime and made the videos out in that park. So today we're going to get that fixed and take this thing through the car wash. Because I live in an apartment complex, I can't really wash it myself, which I would prefer to do. So we're going to find a nice touchless car wash to drive this thing through. And I will see you guys there. There we go. Just across these tracks, South Side Car Wash. What's going on, guys? So I'm here at the car wash. Currently getting, I would say, the second most expensive option, as it's this car. Now, if it were my daily, I wouldn't care. Just quick little, the cheap one. Cheapest car wash would work for that car, especially since it's a salvage title. I hope to be getting a new one as soon as I can. I'm looking probably at a older gen 4Runner, just because I kind of want an SUV. Something with 4-wheel drive. The winters around here can be kind of brutal, depending on the year. But yeah, we're sitting here in the car wash, just chilling, and I got my chamois in the back. So as soon as we're done here, I got some dryers here in front of me. So when we're done with that, we'll drive through that pretty slow, get most of the water off, and then hop out with the chamois and finish the job. See you guys when this car wash is over, and we're getting our spot-free rinse right now, so we're about to head out of here. Alright, look at that paint. Ooh. Nice and clean now. Didn't quite get all the water out of the jams down here. Bumper still has a few spots, but especially over there, my headlights are not sealed the best. But other than that, nice and clean. Just every now and then I'll put a coat of that quick detail on her. Maybe a coat of turtle wax. And clean hood. I got some dust on it already, so I could probably take my duster to that, take care of that. Wheels looking pretty good. Method 501 Rileys. Thinking bronze. They're more of a green, but I don't even know. That might be a color they don't even make anymore. But other than that, nice and clean. Just the way I like it. Ready and good to go for a few weeks. And I'll take care of that. So I think sometime in the next probably couple weeks, I'll be looking around, see if I can get this car tinted, get it looking a little better, control the heat a little more, especially now that summer is coming. So I will talk to you guys in the next video. Noah signing out.